My name is Kunal and I'm from Webinar Stores. Today, we are here again with Amit Ganguly. As we know that we are in regular talking about the active listening. And first of all, we would like to thank you again, Amit sir, to be here, to guiding us for the impact of the listening. It's a very crucial matter. If we have to become a good listener or active listener, the patience is going to helpful. And when we talk about patience, then somehow our personality development or the personal development must be more be the one of the key factor. So today my question is, what is the impact? What is the impact on the personally for the active listener? When we talk about personal life or the personal activity, what is the impact? What is the impact of active listener on this? Amit sir.
Yes. Thank you, Kunalji. Uh, Active listening has actually a huge impact on our personal relationship also. Let me give a very simple example. Assume husband-wife. Now, if both the husband-wife keeps on talking together, nobody is listening to other person, then what is going to happen? Initially, only people in the room will listen, then everyone in the house will listen. Perhaps after that, everyone in the colony will start listening.
Right.
I mean, the territory or entire area. Now, jokes apart, see, it's very important that to understand that at any point of time, at any discussion per se, it's not necessary that we will have to reach to an agreement. We will have to agree with the other person. We will have to, we can say in a simpler way, bow down to the other person. The two different individual, be it husband wife, be it father son, mother daughter, whatever, any relationship per se, they can always have a difference of opinion, different opinion. That's absolutely fine. But what we need to do is we need to learn and practice active listening, so that at least when the other person is talking, sharing something, speaking his or her mind out, the the listener, the person who is at the receiving end, instead of waiting to respond back, waiting to fight back, waiting to give back, if the person wait, give an active listening, patiently listen, understand, be non-judgmental. Let's not make a preconceived notion that whatever this person is going to say is bullshit, is nonsense. So if we can practice all these things and inculcate inside our system or in our mindset framework, then what is going to happen? What we are going to achieve? Number one, the person who was talking, he or she will at least feel good that the other person has listened to me. Yeah, he or she has not interrupted me, not jumped into the conclusion, or did not listen only to give a rebuttal kind of thing, right? Give a
Right.
response or give an answer back. So that feel good factor will, first thing which is very important, will come. Second, from our side, I mean, if I was listening, somebody else was talking, in that case, in my side aspect or perspective also, it's not necessary that whatever I think always is correct. My thought process, my thinking can be wrong also. Now, as a result of giving active listening, what I am going to achieve is I will appreciate the viewpoint of the other person. Perhaps there is a possibility that I will genuinely accept the viewpoint of the other person also. So, what is the end result? We don't fight. Number one, the chances of fighting goes off. Now, what if I don't agree? Fine. But in that case also, if I am an active listener, we can always reach to a statement or a stage where, or which we call as agree to disagree. Fair enough. This is your viewpoint. My viewpoint is different. Let's agree to disagree on this point and we will not fight on that. So
Right.
relationship becomes better maintained, remains cordial, And the most important part is, whatever whoever the two people are might be, they will have respect for each other. It's not that somebody is getting hurt as a result of a conversation, because I mean, ultimately by the end of the day, nobody has listened, right? So that hurt feeling, that bad feeling, low feeling, that will not be there.
That
So
is a good point. That is a good
respect.
point.
Yeah, we are
Right.
showing respect.
Right, right. So because in these days I'm reading a book of Dale Carnegie, win friends and how to behave with others, and with the help of these active listeners, you could make any आप कोई भी काम उनसे करवा सकते हैं. That is the art which that book is giving to me, and each day I'm reading around the 10 page, and I have to write like a one page because there is a keywords, a lot of keywords, Dell has had described in this book. So definitely active listening skills, if we develop in a personal life, we will become the half achiever of the life, because personally is also going to impact your professional life, is it?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
And sir, thank you so much for your time. Really
Thank you,
appreciate
sir.
it, sir. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Have a good evening. Thank you. Bye bye.